The asshole here, the sinister element, is a role player. When you get right down to brass tacks, whatever that means, it's here for you. It's no fun if it's just palm trees and lube. There's no Big Bang that came from outer space. There's no Captain Kirk flying around. It's ridiculous. Now I'm going to stop right here and not show any more of the book so I can claim fair use and protect the intellect.
Wow, it's cold out today here. Oh, look. What's our buddy doing up there? Okay, I think this is it. I think I found it. Oh man, I really didn't want to come down here right now, but here we are. Let's see if we can find a parking spot at the Department of Labor. Okay. 1 second, and take a look at these mountains over here. Yeah, they're definitely over there doing that. That might cook meat. I'd save the oils that drip out and put them into this can. And it's pretty much like it seems to preserve itself, so I don't really need to do anything to it besides put it in the can. And then I put the can contents a little bit at a time into the Doggo's Foodies, and I stir it up with this fork. Come on, you piece of crap. What the fuck's this? What are you doing? Thank you.